going on, everybody? Filling up my water truck. And, this other contractor over here saw some of his equipment. Thought I'd video it. It belongs to Tanner Services. I guess they're the contractor that does these frack ponds. But got their 320D excavator over here. It's got tiger teeth on it. Even some side cutters on the bucket. It's like a pretty clean machine. Cab's fairly clean, floor can be swept out, but and it's out of the Louisiana Machinery. Door panel's a little dented in. Overall, not a bad looking machine. And I got their dozer over here, their D6RIII LGP. That's a Series 3. I don't see too many LGP tractors around here. It's definitely got the smaller, lighter blade, the wider tracks, and even the undercarriage and rails sit out a little further away from the machine than in the XL configuration. And that's just to make the machine as light as possible. And this one's just got a drawbar on it, but I'm sure it's got some plumbing up there somewhere for a winch or a ripper if they did decide to put that on there. And I guess that's anybody can correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that's a quick fill hose. I said I don't see too many LGP tractors around here, so this is kind of neat. It's inside the cab, I guess. It looks like it's already plumbed for a winch. It just doesn't have it. Maybe they pull a disc with it or something, or maybe they just pull other equipment. But pretty neat. Thought I'd show y'all. Thanks for watching.